Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Just drive through the road, boy.
Oh, yes,
Go, mate.
What are you smashing my window for? What are you smashing my window for? Why are you smashing my window? Why are you smashing my window? You smashed my window. Fuck off. Fuck off, man. Fuck off. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call the insurance. I've got everything on cameras. I've got everything on cameras. I don't give a fuck. You don't do that to me. You don't do that to me. Who the fuck do you think you are? Who the fuck you think you are? Yeah, I don't care. Hey, I don't care. I don't care. Look what you doing, fam. What are you doing that for?
Fam, what part of me looks like your family, bro?
Yeah, I don't care, fam. I don't care.
Listen,
hey, I don't care. I don't care. What you said? We smash my face.
Hit the road, mate. You got to hit the road. Hit the road.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care.
Hit the road.
Move from my face.
Hit the road,
Move from my face.
Hit the road.
Move my face. Move my face. Move my face.
Hit the road.
Move from my face.
Do your job.
Move from my face.
Do your job.
Okay? I'm gonna call the police for smashes my window. Yeah, I'm gonna do.
Yeah, you're cutting your hand.
Yeah, I got tied my hands. Yeah, because of you, motherfucker.
What?
Yeah, you're the motherfucker.
Hold on a minute.
You're a fucker. You fucker. You know who I am. You know who I am. You're gonna. No, you don't know who I am.
Look at me.
You don't know who I am. I'm gonna call the police, fam. What are you doing? I'm not looking at you, fam. Look, why are you doing that, fam?
Look at me.
Why are you doing that?
Look at this.
Why are you doing this?
Look at
Why
this.
are you doing this? Why are you smashing my window? Why you take this thing out? Why you take this one? Is this one you smash it? You smash it. Now we're able. Hey, listen. I smash it. Look. Wow, okay. Now we're cool now. Now we're cool, fam. Look, fam.